model, 68 plate Ford Transit 350 Mark 8 starts runs needs turbo repair VAT inclusive bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 195940. MOT, the 9th of January 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine starts and idles and sounds perfect. Straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.